Okay. Study.
Oh, yes, study Jan.
Okay.
Sorry Jan.
Okay. Okay, you see the book now?
Yes Jan.
Okay. We start now.
Yes Jan, okay now.
Okay. We start here. Okay. Can you
Okay.
read? อ่านได้ไหม
อ่านได้นะ ได้อ่าน
แบบฝึก แบบฝึก mean practice แบบฝึก
Yes Jan.
ให้อ่านว่า you need to read that ให้อ่านว่า
ให้อ่านว่า
yeah ทออำทำ
โออัมทำ
ทออำทำ
actually I need to actually your call is not appearance now Jan.
No, not this book.
Yes. I don't see your book.
You not see?
Yes Jan.
Okay.
Maybe. Yes Jan. Okay Jan.
You go to your line.
Yeah. Jan, I can see. I can see.
Okay.
Okay.
Go to your line.
Nam.
Yeah.
Yam.
Yeah.
Ram.
Yes.
Ram.
Yes.
Kam.
Yes.
Cham.
Yes.
Kham.
Dum.
Sorry. Dum.
Yeah. Tam.
Dum. Tam.
Yes.
Cham.
Okay, I read for you. ผมอาจารย์อ่าน
Okay.
send you ฟัง ทำ
Send you ฟังนะ
Yeah ฟัง ทำ นำ
Kham.
ย
Nam.
ำ ร
Yam.
ำ ก
Tam.
ำ จ
Tam.
ำ ด
Jam.
ำ ต
Dam.
ำ ช
Tam. Cham.
Yes. ทำ You know ทำ what it mean ทำ?
Tham. Leader.
ทำ mean do or make. ทำ mean make.
Yes, make.
ทำ mean
อะไร
make.
นะ
Make or do. ทำ You make or you do.
Okay.
ทำ okay ทำงาน You do your work. You make your work. Yeah ทำงาน ทำ mean do or make. Okay? Make or do. Okay? ทำ next นำ
The water.
น้ำ not น้ำ นำ
Okay.
If you put my toe another symbol that you say น้ำ but this word not น้ำ no water นำ mean lead or leader. You know leader?
Yes, leader.
Leader is นำ mean you go ahead.
Yes.
You go ahead.
Yes.
We say นำ You
Yes,
go
go.
ahead. Yeah, we say it's like leader. We say นำ You go first. You go ahead. We say นำ Lead. You lead.
Yes, Ajahn.
I lead. Okay.
Lead.
Yes.
Leader.
นำ next ยำ ยอยักษ์ ยำ
Yum. Yes,
Yum.
Spicy. Spicy salad.
ยำ not one meaning ยำthe first meaning mix. You know mixture? Mix you put together.
Yes.
You put together we say mix.
Yes.
M-I-X. Mix.
Mix.
Yeah. We say ยำ okay. Another meaning ยำ mean criticize. You know criticize? Someone criticize you.
Wow.
Comment on you. Comment on you
Yes.
or criticize. We say ยำ okay. Another meaning ยำ You know ยำ the name of noodle.
Noodle. Yeah.
Noodle. The name of
Yum,
noodle.
noodle.
Why mama. Yum. The name of noodle. Brand name.
Yes.
This word not one meaning. Yeah. Jump. The first meaning mean mix, mix,
Mix.
mix, mix,
Criticize
mix.
noodle.
Yeah, and noodle and another meaning mean criticize.
Yes.
Someone criticize you. Okay. Jump.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yum.
yeah, yeah. Next, rum.
Dance.
Rum is no. Uh, huh?
Dance. Dance.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dancing.
Dancing.
Yeah, dancing. Ram mean dancing. Yeah, dancing. You know dancing. Dan or dan. Okay. We say
Yes.
yeah, rum, rum,
Yes.
rum.
Dance.
Another meaning. Another meaning rum mean brand rice.
Mm-hmm.
Brand, brand BRAN. Right brand.
B.
BRAN. Brand. We say
Brand. Okay.
right brand. Something you
Yes.
get from the right. We
Yes. Yes.
say
Yes.
right
Brand.
brand.
Brand. Adidas brand. Nike brand.
Uh,
Right? Brand name. Brand.
not brand. That's word. Right. Something you eat. Something you eat.
Oh, okay. Okay.
RICE. Rice.
O-
Brand
Okay.
BRAN. No D. No
Mm-hmm.
D. BRAN. We say rice brand.
Okay.
Right brand. Something you get from the right. Okay. You can give to the
What's a
pig.
brand?
You can give to the pig. You can give to the duck animal. Duck.
Okay. Okay.
We
Okay, Ajahn.
say ram. Ram.
Ram.
Another meaning ram mean dancing. Dancing.
Yes. Yes,
Ram.
Ajahn.
Yeah, ram. Okay. Not one meaning. Okay.
Yes, Ajahn.
Ram. Okay. Go back. Tham. Nam.
Thumb. Num.
Yum.
Yum.
Ram.
Rum.
Ram.
Rum.
Yum.
Yum.
Nam.
Num.
Tham.
Thumb.
Good. Tham. Nam. Yum. Ram. Okay. Go.
Rum.
Gum.
Thumb.
Gum. Gum. Fish. Fish. Part
Fish.
of your
Fish.
body. Fish. Part of your body. Fish. Fish. FIST. Not fish
Oh,
can swim in the water. Not fit in the water. Fish. Fish
okay.
is a part of your hand.
Yes,
Yeah.
fish.
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 FIST. Fish. Okay.
Fish. Fish.
Gum. You say fish. Gum.
Fish. Yes.
Gum. Fish.
Hmm.
Yeah, fish. Part of
Fish.
your hand. Part of your hand. Okay. You fish.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Gum. Fish. Neck.
Jump.
Jump. What
Jump.
does it mean jump?
Remember.
Yes, you remember จำได้ไหม
Jump.
Do you
Jump die
remember
mine.
จำได้ไหม
Yes.
Can you
Jump
remember
die.
จำ
Yes.
Opposite จำลืม
No. Yes.
ลืม is a
Yes, Ajahn.
forget
Okay.
ลืมจำ remember จำได้ไหม
Yes.
remember
Jump die mine.
จำได้ไหม
Remember.
โอเคจำได้ you can remember ลืมแล้ว you forget already
No.
ลืมลืม
Oh,
ลืม
no.
ลืม
No.
they forget next dum
Dumb.
dum
Dumb.
dum black color
Black color.
yeah
Dumb.
black color dum
Dumb.
black is a color the name of
Black
color
color.
black color
Color. Yes.
next thumb
Dumb.
thumb mean hit or smash hit
Oh.
hit
Uh-huh.
thumb hit
Hit.
or smash
Smash.
you smash chili you smash garlic
Yeah.
for cooking
Okay.
hit another meaning hit you walk and you hit the car hit you thumb thumb the car hit
Thumb.
you hit
Mm.
hit thumb
Hit.
next chum
Chum.
chum
Chum.
yeah chum cham not one meaning cham if you talk about you know you grow something cham you know grocery
Grocery. Yes.
grocery store you know grocery store
Yes.
this
Yes,
cham mean grocery another meaning cham mean you preserve you know preserve
Preserve.
something for eating we say preserve cham okay cham preserve
Cham.
yeah preserve
Mm.
grocery or
Preserve.
yeah cham okay preserve
Okay.
or grocery yeah
Grocery.
you know grocery store
Grocery store. Yes,
yeah but here it's only grocery
Okay.
grocery okay ทำนำ
Nam.
ย
Yum.
ำ ร
Ram.
ำ ก
Ram.
ำ จ
Jam.
ำ ด
Dam.
ำ ต
Tam.
ำ ช
Cham.
ำ okay you read อ่านฉันอยู่อ่าน
As. Yeah.
อ่าน
Yeah.
Tham.
Tam.
yeah
Nam.
good
Yum.
yeah
Ram.
good
Tam.
yeah
Cham.
good
Dam.
Dam.
Tam.
yeah
Cham.
ชำ
Cham.
ชอช้าง elephant
Cham.
ชำ
Cham.
yeah ชำ ให้อ่านว่าโทเอเทสระเอทอทหารสระเอwe say เท mean you throw away example you throw away the trash okay we say เท mean you throw away เท okay another meaning เท for water you pour the water P O U R pour อย่าเทน้ำเท pour the water เทน้ำเท throw away okay เท A no meaning yeah you know yeah no meaning but sometimes some people say yeah no meaning yeah okay yeah next yeah next yeah you know
No meaning.
is one word what do you say one word no meaning but usually we have another word they come together example kere yeah we have the meaning but one word we don't say one word
Okay.
yeah we say no meaning here
No
te
meaning.
ye ke practice reading only practice reading
Okay.
yeah te you see ฉันอยู่อ่าน เท เอ เย เก yeah we practice reading only yeah เม เส เห เข 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 เห yes เส yes เม again เม เส เห เข
K
เข low sound เข ขอไข่เข
K
yeah next
นา
ทาทอทหารทา
โทษใส่ทา
ทานี่
ทานา
เท
นะคะ
เท
ตัวเดียวกันเท
ไทย
ไทย
next
ไทย
ทำ
เท้า
เทา some word we have the meaning เทา mean gray color
gray color
เทาทำ mean make or do make do ไทย is no meaning not Thailand we spell differently spell like this no meaning we need Thailand we have ยอยักษ์ here ยอยักษ์ but here no ยอยักษ์ is no meaning Thai เท ทา yeah ทา mean apply example when you have accident you use some medicine you know ointment or something we say ทา you ทา on your skin apply for medicine yeah เท is a throw away yes next รา เร yes ไร yeah รำ เรา รำ ไร เร รา again อ่านรา เร ไร รำ เรา you know เรา we เรา yes we รำ you know รำ dancing
dancing
or brand right brand for pig right is in English the same meaning same word right you know all the chicken small insect they eat brush chicken brush it's like free on the dog right is small they live on chicken small insect we say right you cannot see because very small on the chicken fur or chicken feather right ray no meaning ray yes ra is a fungus you know fungus
yes Ajahn
fungus example you buy the bread for many day they color you know their color change
yes Ajahn
can change you cannot eat we say fungus we say fungus yeah fungus ra ray ram เรา okay good next ขา เข ไข ขำ เขา ขำ ไข เข ขา you know ขา what does it mean ขา Pass or body, leg, leg, leg,
leg,
leg,
leg, leg.
leg. Your leg, your
Your
pass or
leg.
body. ขา leg,
Yes, sir.
ขา
Leg.
leg.
Ah.
เข
K.
เข
K.
You know, some people they have eye problem. You know,
Yes, sir. Yes.
we say
Yes,
K.
sir. Yes.
K is what we say in English. Okay, I check for you. K. You know, cross eye. Your eye,
Yes.
you know, not go at the same way. We say cross eye.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Your eye is a cross eye. Somebody, not
Cross eye.
everyone. Only somebody. They look different way. We say K. We say cross eye. Cross eye. Cross eye. Okay. K. Next, ไข ไข the name of candle.
Ah.
You know candle? You light a
Yes.
candle? ไข is the candle made from the fat. You know fat. F-A-T. Fat.
Oh.
Candle made from the fat. The fat. F-A-T. Fat.
Set.
Not from the bee. Not from the behind. That's from, you know. We say
Yes,
ไข
sir.
the name of candle. Okay.
Name of candle.
Candle. You know candle? You light the candle? Yes.
Yes.
ไข
ไข
ขำ
Come.
Kham is you know kidding, you know funny,
Yes.
you know
Funny
joking,
kidding.
you
Yes.
know joking,
Yes, Ajahn.
joking. Somebody like to tell a joke. They say kham. Kham
Come.
is when you listen to some story, you laugh, you are
Yes,
funny.
Ajahn. Yes, well, I'm
Yeah,
funny.
we say kidding. You know kidding?
Kidding.
Are
Yes.
you kidding? Yeah. Are you
Are you kidding?
joking? Kham. Kham.
Come.
Khảo. Khảo is a
Come.
khảo is a three meaning. Khảo is could be mountain. You know mountain.
Yes, Ajahn.
Mountain. It could be third person. Third person. He or she. Third person. You talk about
Yes.
third person. He or she. That khảo. Another meaning. Khảo mean horn. You know animal horn.
Yes.
Animal horn. A buffalo horn. Yeah. A deer horn. You see.
Yes.
Get
Yes.
khẩu. Three meaning.
Khẩu.
Get khẩu. Khẩm.
Khẩu.
Khẩy.
Khẩm. Khẩy.
Khỉ.
Khả.
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 Khỉ.
Khỉ.
Khẩy.
Khẩy.
Khẩm.
Khẩm.
Khẩu.
Khẩu.
Okay. Khẩu.
Khẩu.
Okay. Good. Next. Bà.
Bà.
Bà. Bê. Bay. Băm. Bầu.
Băm. Bầu.
We have meaning only last word. Bầu. Bầu mean
Bầu.
not heavy. Very light. Not heavy.
Light.
Something
Light.
not heavy. We say light or not heavy. Bầu. Bum no meaning. Bum no
Yes.
meaning. Bay no meaning. Bê no meaning. Bà no meaning. Bà. Bê. Bay. Băm. Bầu.
Bầu.
Bà. Bê. Bay. Băm. Bầu.
Băm. Bầu.
Bà. Bê. Bay. Băm. Bầu.
Băm. Bầu.
Yeah. Okay. Enough for today.
Yes, Ajahn. Yes,
Okay.
Ajahn.
Okay. We can
Okay, Ajahn.
study tomorrow. Okay.
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 Ajahn. Thank
See
you,
you.
Ajahn.
Okay. See you. Thank
See
you. Okay. Welcome.